Hey guys, welcome back to B9 Studios. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. If you want more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed and enable the bell icon. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Go to YouTube and click on the channel icon on the top right corner and go to settings. Go to advanced settings. Click on delete channel. If you haven't signed into your Google account, you will be asked to do so. Click on I want to permanently delete my content. Check this box and click on delete my content. Type your channel name here and again click on delete my content. That's it. Hope you've learned something new. If you did, please leave a like and share to your friends. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the screen. See you guys in next video.